News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Tata Memorial Centre, Tata Memorial Hospital, Parel, Mumbai, Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority and Competition Commission of India. Let's begin by knowing the history, mission and vision of Tata Memorial Centre before we discuss the vacancies. Tata Memorial Hospital was initially commissioned by the Sir Dorabji Tata Trust on 28 February 1941 as a centre with enduring value and a mission for concern for the Indian people. In 1952, the Indian Cancer Research Centre was established as a pioneer research institute for basic research, later called the Cancer Research Institute CRI. In 1957, the Ministry of Health took over the Tata Memorial Hospital. The transfer of the administrative control of the Tata Memorial Centre, Tata Memorial Hospital and Cancer Research Institute to the Department of Atomic Energy in 1962 was the next major milestone. The Tata Memorial Hospital and Cancer Research Institute merged as the two arms of the Tata Memorial Centre TMC in 1966 as a classic example of private philanthropy augmented by government support with a mandate for service, education and research in cancer. Tata Memorial Centre's mission is to provide comprehensive cancer care to one and all through their motto of excellence in service, education and research. Tata Memorial Centre, Tata Memorial Hospital, Parel, Mumbai, an autonomous body under the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, invites applications for the following posts. Professor F. Surgical Oncology, location HBCHRC Vizag and HBCHRC Punjab. Professor F. Radiation Oncology, location HBCHRC Vizag and HBCHRC Punjab. Professor F. Anesthesiology, location HBCHRC Vizag and HBCHRC Punjab. Professor F. Medical Oncology, location HBCHRC Vizag and HBCHRC Punjab. Professor F. Pathology, location HBCHRC Vizag and HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Professor E. Dental and Prosthetic Surgery, location TMH Mumbai and HBCHRC Vizag. Assistant Professor E. Anesthesiology, location TMH Mumbai and HBCHRC Vizag. Assistant Professor Irradiation Oncology, location TMH Mumbai and HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Professor E. Interventional Radiology, location TMH Mumbai. Assistant Professor E. Surgical Oncology, location HBCHRC Vizag. Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology, Pediatric, location HBCHRC Vizag. Assistant Professor E. Radiodiagnosis, location HBCHRC Vizag. Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology, Solid Tumor, location TMH Mumbai. Assistant Professor E. Nuclear Medicine, location HBCHRC Vizag and HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology, location HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology, Adult Hematolymphoid, location HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Professor E. Palliative Medicine, location HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Radiologist D, location HBCHRC Punjab. Assistant Pathologist D, location HBCHRC Punjab. Last date for online application is 28th May 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. For details, visit the website tmc.gov.in. Applications are invited for filling up the post of Chairperson in Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority WDRA set up by the Government of India under the provisions of the Warehousing Development and Regulation Act 2007. The vacancy circular with details regarding pay, eligibility criteria, age limit, tenure, etc. and application pro forma is placed on the website of this department, that is dfpd.nic.in. Applicants working in government or PSUs or autonomous body, etc. must send their application through proper channel along with vigilance clearance certificate, integrity certificate, no penalty certificate for last 10 years, certified copies of ACRs or APARs for last 5 years, and self-attested copies of supporting documents so as to reach the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication in Employment News. Applications complete in all respect can also be sent through email at usstg.fpd@nic.in within the aforesaid timeline. Applications received till 5 p.m. on the last date of receiving applications will only be accepted. The application form can be downloaded from the website of this department or obtained from the office of the concerned authority. Person who had applied for this post in response to vacancy circular published in the month of June 2017, December 2017 and May 2020 need to apply afresh if interested. Let's learn about CCI, Competition Commission of India. The Competition Act 2002 as amended by the Competition Amendment Act 2007 follows the philosophy of modern competition laws. The Act prohibits anti-competitive agreements, abuse of dominant position by enterprises and regulates combinations, acquisition, acquiring of control and M&A, which causes or likely to cause an appreciable adverse effect on competition within India. The objectives of the Act are sought to be achieved through the Competition Commission of India, which has been established by the central government with effect from 14th October 2003. CCI consists of a chairperson and 6 members appointed by the central government. It is the duty of the Commission to eliminate practices having adverse effect on competition, promote and sustain competition, protect the interest of consumers and ensure freedom of trade in the markets of India. The Commission is also required to give opinion on competition issues on a reference received from the statutory authority established under any law and to undertake competition advocacy, create public awareness and impart training on competition issues. Applications have been invited dated 7th May 2021 to fill 9 posts of Deputy Director General in the Office of Director General, Competition Commission of India on deputation basis from eligible and interested officers working in the Income Tax, IT or Customs or Enforcement Directorate ED or Police Department or Goods and Services Tax GST Department or Central Bureau of Investigation CBI or National Investigation Agency NIA. The last date prescribed for receipt of applications through proper channel in CCI is 18th June 2021. For further details, please visit the website www.cci.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.